Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I want to bring you guys onto a video client project shoot for this brand called Official Street Saga. They are, I would say, an automotive lifestyle brand. They came to me through a referral asking for a video for their socials. Don't mind me, guys, I'm a little sick right now. I just finished recovering from a pretty severe sore throat. And yeah, I wanted to bring you guys along, capture a bunch of BTS, and basically show you how I'm going to shoot this video project for them. Enough said, let's get all the gear packed up and start heading out. Peace. Just stopping along the Crest Highway, getting flybys as we're going up. So he's gonna come down right now, and we're gonna get basically two angles. A front shot of him coming in, point the camera that way. We're gonna get a shot of him of the backside, basically hitting this curve here. Alright, we made it to another pull-out spot. We're gonna do the interview portion here, probably do more B-roll shots. Pretty hot right now. So right now we're just gonna get some B-roll of him kind of, walking around the car, admiring it. It's his build. He built that. But yeah. Alright, so this first shot, I'm gonna be pointing down. I'm gonna come back kind of towards the car, and you're gonna be, I'm gonna have you on this side, and you're gonna just walk. Okay, got it. Towards your car. Got it. I was like, wait, what? You're going too fast.
Wait, I lost it. Hold on.
Dude, you're so good at filming, bro.
I think he's gonna need that
almost
summer
dying.
internship.
This internship right now.
Payments in and out.
Dinner's on him.
Dinner's on me, sir. Shooting on the Olympus Infinity, made in 1986. We got some Kodak Ultramax 400 in here. Just snapping some quick flicks. Just got done with the shoot. That's a wrap. Sun is down. Car's looking good. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this BTS. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.